Unveiling the Art of Closet Design, a Guide to English Vocabulary. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the world of interior design, specifically focusing on closet design. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will shed light on what closet design entails and why it's an essential part of modern living. Closet design refers to the process of planning, organizing, and personalizing storage spaces within a home. It's not just about having shelves or a place to hang clothes. It's about creating a system that enhances efficiency and maximizes space. Good closet design addresses your personal storage needs and aesthetic preferences, making the most out of the available area. When discussing closet design, several key terms come into play. Dimensions, the measurements of the space, including height, width, and depth. Storage solutions. These are the features like shelves, drawers, rods, and hooks designed to organize items. Materials, the wood, metal, or other substances from which the closet is made. Layout. The arrangement of shelves, rods, and other elements within the closet space. Understanding these elements helps in communicating your ideas more clearly when discussing or planning a closet design. Customization is at the heart of modern closet design. It allows for personalization to suit an individual's lifestyle. For instance, someone with a large shoe collection might need ample shoe storage, while another person might require more hanging space for dresses and suits. Customization also includes selecting materials and finishes that reflect your style, from minimalist white melamine to rich, dark wood stains. We hope this video has helped illuminate the concept of closet design and enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, a well-designed closet can transform your daily routine, bringing order and beauty to your personal space. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in our next video. Happy learning!